A channel works as a collection or a playlist of courses. This is where your course will be shown after you publish it during the publishing process. In a free trial, you do not need to do anything here as it already works. But if you want to see how it really looks, then you can personalize the channel to match your company needs. It could also be specific product needs or training needs. It's a what you see is what you get editor, so this makes it easy for you. On the what you see is what you get editor, you can set the cover image, the text color, you can add descriptions, add a channel profile video, add general resources, but you also need to go into details, fill out the contact information if relevant, whether you can share the channel, extra additional resources, and there are settings that you can fill out regarding whether the channel should be public or private, how the channel image should look, and you can also set course images for all courses made on the platform. Uh, Please note that on all of these, you can hover over to get a short description, but you can also press it to get an explanation of how it works. If you have added an e-commerce integration, then you can also make a landing page instead of a channel. A landing page is a website that you can customize exactly how you want it. You can also add the courses on the channel as a carousel at the bottom. The carousel works like this, so you can see the courses. Please note that as an admin, you'll be able to see all courses on the channel, whether they're public or private, but the user who sees the platform can only see whatever they have access to. Under Manage Channel at the top, you can add channels if you buy extra, and you can edit them and their status, so you can set them to inactive, you can change whether they're public, etc. You can also copy a